Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to close an option position on Thinkorswim. First, navigate to the Monitor tab within the platform. Here, you will find all your open positions. Simply right-click on the specific option contract you wish to close. A context menu will appear, offering several actions. From this menu, select Create Closing Order to begin the process of exiting your trade. This is the fundamental first step for any option closure. Once you've initiated a closing order, the order entry screen will appear. Here, you can customize your exit strategy. Select an order type, such as a limit order to specify a minimum selling price or maximum buying price, or a market order for immediate execution. You can also adjust the quantity if you only wish to close a portion of your position. Finally, set the time in force, choosing between a day order or a good till canceled order. For multi-leg option strategies, like spreads, you can close all legs together. In the Monitor tab, select all the individual legs of your spread by holding down the Control key and clicking each one. Then, right-click and choose to create a closing order for the entire spread. Thinkorswim also offers a roll feature, allowing you to close an existing option and open a new one in a single, streamlined transaction. Always review the order ticket carefully. Before finalizing any closing order, it is crucial to review the order ticket thoroughly. Double-check all the details, including the option contract, quantity, order type, and price. Pay close attention to the estimated credit or debit, ensuring it aligns with your expectations. Once you are confident that all the information is correct, click Confirm and Send to execute your closing transaction. This final check helps prevent errors and ensures your trade is placed as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.